Shil, good to be back. Enjoying a great cup of coffee. Now, I know we've been talking about residential real estate, and that is a major segment of business that's thriving Dubai. But then there's commercial real estate. You're talking about office space and businesses and whatnot. And that segment is really growing. I believe that right now, to get office spaces in some of the areas in Dubai, for example, Design District, it's a waiting time of 3 years.
Correct.
You have a lot of freehold commercial space coming up. And I think it's a very good idea for people who are already in the residential investments to step into the commercial investments. But you seem to have a lot of insight into this market segment. So share some of your knowledge. What are your thoughts?
Certainly. One thing I'll caveat with everything that I say is that people need to have the appetite and be open to the understanding of the way the commercial market works. Now, the commercial market in Dubai is, in a sense, established, but it's continuously growing. Why is it growing? Dubai is one of those places which is constantly attracting trade, attracting businesses, and that's because Dubai does business. Yeah, the UAE does business. Now, in terms of business, commercial licenses in mainland Dubai, we're talking over 250,000 businesses registered. Right, that's huge, right? If you think about it, and that's a growth that we've seen for the last 20 years. We've seen over 200,000 of those. Going forward, we're anticipating an addition of around 10,000 businesses in addition per year. So, that means that the demand for space is going to continue. It's going to grow. And Dubai being what it is, you're going to see that continue. Now, when we talk about space, you already touched on their design district and the impact of the design district. But actually, if you look across the whole of Dubai, occupancy of offices are around 85%. The largest demand for offices are offices sized between 1,000 to 3,000, 4,000 square foot, this kind of range. So actually the demand for this space isn't going away. Seeing the number of businesses coming in, it's going to continue growing. Being the hub that it is, it's going to continue as well. So, I think it's a very, very smart segment or smart investment for people to start considering.
Oh, wow, that's some valuable information. And I must say you're right. And with this whole notion of freehold, I think commercial is going to thrive. Guys, do look at this option. If you want more insights, please reach out to us.